Welcome guys to Wide Media Networks. I'm going to show you basics on this IT, and we shall be training on just basic computer skills by observation. We shall learn how to design website using Joomla and WordPress. We shall learn how to use graphics to come up with very live photos and displays. We shall learn how to edit videos, making beats and music production, and many more others. As I said, these trainings are always going to be free, but we shall be purchasing the programs because for us to learn, we need these programs. And therefore, your cooperation is required. This is an example of the program that we're going to learn how to use. It is used to make logos called Logo Creator, and we shall be learning how to create photos using Logo Creator. And this is an example of a logo that I came up with. And we shall be learning how to create this logo, as you can see here, among other logos. And we shall also be learning how to use what we call Photoshop, how to come up with very creative photos, change backgrounds of our photos, and do that for business and also for fun. It is very important that we also learn how to use this Photoshop. It is not hard. It is a very easy thing to do, and your cooperation is required. As you can see, this is the layout of the Photoshop, and I'll just show you an example of a photo that we can edit and change its background. For example, a photo like that, this one here, we can change its background to make it more live, among others. Also, we are also going to learn how to use this program called FL Studio. This is the program that is used by most producers in Kenya and East Africa and also the world to come up with beats and music patterns and make very live musics that you have been listening to the radio and all over. We shall learn how to just make basic beats, instruments, and all that. Also record audios and do many other things together. This is called FL. Apart from that, we shall also learn how to design websites, as I said earlier. And in this session, I'm going to show you how to use Joomla and XAMPP to come up with very creative. This is Joomla. As you can see, I'm logging into where we shall be using this, the panel for the administrator. And this is an example of a website that I'm coming up with. I'm just showing you this as a demonstration, but we shall create something closer to this for our learning purposes. And therefore, we are going to learn how to put slideshows here and write all those words and make it a very live website, as you all can see. Apart from that, I think it is also important that I'll show you how to use how to edit videos. Yeah, it is very important also to learn how to edit videos, and we shall be using Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2015. This is a very heavy program used to edit videos, movies, and all that. It is very important that we learn how to use this program. It will take some time to load because it's heavy, as you all can see, and therefore your laptop has to be loaded with the specifications for you to run this program. It's not as easy as you can see it. It is a very heavy program requiring RAM of about 4 GB and an extra space in your hard disk for partition C should be at least more than 50 GB because this is a very heavy program, and it requires maximum specifications for any computer, and therefore as we learn this program, you also, if you want to venture into this for your fun and business issues, make sure you find a very compatible machine that will run smoothly with this program. My computer is not that compatible with this program, but for learning purposes, I will show you just a few bits of how to use it. Then it is important to learn the skills, then you can apply them at your own free time, because it is necessary. Therefore, it has loaded, and as you can see, it's still loading because it is heavy. We just give it maximum time and allow it to load everything in order. This is called Adobe Premiere Pro, and these programs are very expensive, but since I want all of us to learn this, I'll be availing them for you at very cheap prices, because I want us to learn, and therefore I'll just be giving you the programs for learning purposes. So I want us to look at just that, though it is very heavy and it won't load as expected, because some files are also not there. I moved some files to another different folder, but this one is an example of a video file that I was trying to edit. Yeah, so you can just give it some time to load. Yeah, there it comes. There it comes. There it comes. There it comes. It is very heavy, and it's very heavy. Yeah, there it has loaded. So this is the program that most studios use. Apart from this, we have other programs. We have After Effects, Adobe After Effects. We have Sony Vegas, and we have so many others that are used in. We have DaVinci. Those are programs that are used in video editing, but this one is very easy. It is among the softwares that I've seen that are very easy to use and follow, and therefore I would like us to learn how to use this so that we can make something better for us. I'm also showing you some of the slideshows, but unfortunately it's like the photos are also not displaying because I moved them to a different folder. But as you can see, these are some slideshows that I had edited for a song and some lyrics. So it is unfortunate that the photos are not there, but for our learning purposes, we shall learn how to make that. I hope this is going to be a very nice session for all of us, and enjoy being in my class, and you will learn more with me. Apart from that, I also want to show you this how to use Publisher, because most of you take this program as a very easy thing and you ignore. As you can see, my wallpaper on this desktop, I edited that wallpaper in Publisher. Yeah, that's it. This is the wallpaper that I edited using Publisher, and you can see it is very nice, and it is very easy to edit using this Publisher. And therefore some of us ignore these things that is not necessary, but I will also show you how to use Publisher to come up with very live notices, advertisements, among other things. Yeah, I hope you are going to enjoy my class, and maximum cooperation is required. Thank you very much as you become my students. God bless.